When somebody doesn't love you, there is absolutely nothing you could do to make them love you. As a matter of fact, today's video is going to give you another example as far as why you should never chase anybody who've already told you or showed you that they don't love you. But before we start, I'm gonna need y'all to like the video so YouTube could push it to more people. And if this is your first time on this channel, do not forget to subscribe.
Spell work for a man who does not want you. It's a no for me. See, I can't tell y'all how many times women come in the inbox and, oh, can you do a bring him back to me spell, a love me spell? Here's the thing, love. You will have a man sitting in your home that does not want to be with you, toxic as hell. Yeah, he might not be cheating, but he's in there wreaking havoc everywhere else in your home because you have put roots, yeah, let's call it roots, on a man that does not want to be with you. There's 1,000 fish in the sea. Why is it that you want this one? No, what we need to do is we need to do some shadow work on your deep-rooted issues, your abandonment issue, and your childhood trauma, and break some generational curses for you not wanting to let go of people who do not want you. That's the work we need to do. That session is a lot cheaper than spell work, but hey, sure money.
And like I said at the beginning of the video, you cannot make somebody love you if they do not love you. One of the things that a lot of people don't understand, when you put a spell on somebody, you are literally playing with unknown spirits. When you really think that the spell is making the person love you, well, the entire time this person was put to sleep. Or they put something on you for him to see you as the most beautiful person. But the biggest issue is that by the time this thing starts to fade away, you're gonna be in grave danger. And that's one of the reasons why some people can even become very abusive. Because at this point, you are literally messing with spirit and energy. You don't really know what's really going on with the person, while the entire time you are gonna hurt the person more to think that you're gonna make that person love you. And like she said on the video, some of those people, they don't even need to be doing whatever they are doing to make that person love them. They need to work on themselves. They need to think about the trauma and fix those issues. That's one of the reasons why some people could be so attached to the wrong person. Ask your parents about things that you probably don't remember, because that feeling of insecure attachment that you think you deserve from somebody who already told you and showed you they don't love you is one of the things that could actually cost you your life. Because no matter what you do, when somebody doesn't love you, there is absolutely nothing you could do to make them change their heart. So my question to you is this: have you ever put a spell on somebody in the name of love? Or do you know somebody who have done so? Let me know in the comments below.